Hi guys, welcome to the ungodly mess that is my studio. Due to the massive response I've had, I've done a quick little video on how to make these couple of funky rooms, showing you the door frames and the removable doors. They're more of a play encounter than you know, a door that swings open and closed, just because that suits a lot of playstyles a lot better. That's not to say that the others can't at some point happen. But yeah, just a quick how to make that. The whole thing, both rooms and the corridor, took about 25 minutes, probably 30 including paint. So enjoy. moves a little. Let's see if I can adjust this. So there we have it. I'm going to hit this with a quick dry brush just to let you guys see the detail. It's almost dry but not quite. Missed a few bits of black, but I'm sure you'll forgive me these little things. So yeah, as you can see, this is a really fast system, guys. Really fast. Doors fit in either side, just wherever is easiest to get them in and get them out. But there we have it. Cracking textures. See if we can get a bit of light going on. God, that's better. Doors, door frames, looks cool from that side. I'm working on some torches in little sconces and some empty sconces. I think they're called sconces, I don't actually know. See, obviously that's like a wood effect, so you'd be painting that brown, not just dry brushing it super quick. But in a nutshell, that is the dungeon in a day system. I hope this was interesting.